Hello everyone, welcome back to Pavani Teachers. In this video, we are going to discuss a topic that is string buffer. It is it is a topic that will with strings basic concepts.
String buffer is nothing but mutable mutable sequence of characters. It's nothing but if we have the string str is equal to Pavani, and for this string I want to add teachers also. So we can do str dot append teachers. So what is the difference between a normal string and string buffer is in string buffer when we like modified the string that already existed, it will not create any new string object again. But in normal strings are immutable, which will when we do any modifications that will create new string objects. So this is the main difference. So let me quickly explain the difference between string buffer and string builder. So here we can see string builder and string buffer. So both are mutable. There is no debate on this. Both are mutable, like we can modify it. Synchronization. Synchronization is nothing but like when we are doing tasks with different programs. Here it will not synchronize, like it will not sync the tasks. That's it. So in string buffer, whatever the number of tasks, those all tasks will be synced all together. That is known as synchronization. Set and safety. When all tasks are not being synchronized, we cannot get accurate answers. So it is not thread safety. What string builders is not thread safety. String buffers, as the synchronization happens perfectly, like we can call this as thread safety. So when we perform synchronization in string buffer, it takes little time, longer time. So it is little slower when compared to string builders. So generally string builders are faster. So as of now, as we are concentrating on DSA, we are going to use string builders. For your understanding, in continuation of this video, we are going to discuss few StringBuilder inbuilt functions. In previous video, I have explained by with the help of VS Code. But in this video, I am going to give a brief understanding on StringBuilder inbuilt functions, and you can work it on VS Code or any other coding platforms that you will practice. So I'll give quick recap in this video. From the next video, we are going to start do a bit of string problems. So the first one is we need to add any characters or any words, characters or words. The inbuilt function that we use is append. So how we need to use this? If suppose we have string builder str. So you may get doubt like how to read string builder inputs. It's very simple. You need to write string builder which is the class, and string str is an object that we are going to create. In our forms it is a string name. So new, and again string builder, And in the process, if you want to read the input from user, it's very simple. Here we need to call sa dot next line. That's it. Or if in case you want to like assign the value here itself, it's very simple. Mention the value in double quotations. That's it. This is how we need to create a string builder, string builder of any string values. So now I want to add teachers to the Pavani. So how we need to do this? It's very simple. str dot append teachers. These need to be there inside the double quotations. This is the one inbuilt function, and our next is insertion. So if we want to insert any particular any particular strings after a certain point of indexes, if suppose I have just only pav and I want to add like from this like this is the length of 3 which will ends with index of 2. So after this second index I want to add remaining word also. So how we need to do this? Or I have Pava and I want to like add like complete the word using ANI. How to do this? It's very simple. Like str dot insert. I want to like from where I need to start. A need to be there at third index. From third index and the string that we need to add. That's it. This is how we need to do. The output will be if we print string, then we'll get output as Pavani with no confusions. So while watching this video, I suggest and advise you to practice in coding platforms. Only then you will able to understand these inbuilt functions. And our next inbuilt function is delete. So here I am taking some string as Java programming. And I want to remove this the first 5 characters. That means until the fourth index. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So how to delete this? str dot delete of 0 to 4. That's it. We get the output if we print str, we get the output as programming. Programming. That's it. This is the one of the function. Delete, insert, append. And our next inbuilt function is delete character at. So now I am going to take string str equal to Java and I want to remove this v. So what is index of v? 0, 1, 2, 3. Index of v is 2. So I want to remove this. Delete the character at. So we need to do this str dot delete at char at. And here we need to mention value of index. And if we try to print this string system.out.println and str, we are going to get output as JAA, and we will be removed from the string. That's it. It will be like uh, that we will be removed and the remaining A will be moved backward to the index which is been empty. This is one of the function, delete character at, and next one is replace. And the same we have done in strings inbuilt functions. It's very simple. If I have a string banana and I want to replace A with O. So how we need to do this? str dot replace character A with character O. That's it. So our next inbuilt function is reverse. So I have now string is Pavani and I need this Pavani word in reverse. So how we need to do this? It's very simple. str dot reverse. That's it. Reverse. Reverse. So that's it. This is this still system.out.println and str. We are going to get output as INAVAP. That's it. This is like reversing the given string. And character is you have already known accessing it is same as strings, not needed to discuss. And our next length is also the same as strings. And then substring is also same as substrings. We have two types of substrings. Substring is also same as strings inbuilt function. You can go through that. And then indexOf is also same last indexOf. And here it's very important that the main important inbuilt function is toString. Like in programming, in DSA programming, the data will be given in the form of string. But we need to modify it. To modify it, we convert this string to string builder at beginning. String builder and modify and do what are the tasks that we need to do. Then when we are returning, it's mandatory to convert into string. So at that time we are going to use this str dot to string. This is the main function. Like this converts string builder string builder to string. So how we need to do this? Very simple. str dot to string. That's it. I think these are the main important inbuilt functions that we often use in DSA. Nothing more than that. And the last one is character array. How to convert into character array. Here we have a particular system we need to create character array. Then once we have created, we need to use it like str dot get, get class. And here we are just mentioning the indexes. After the indexes, we need to mention the array name. And yes, that's it. Like once go through this character array, pieces more on this. I think this is the more like the most often used inbuilt functions in string builders that we more use in DSA. And also don't forget to watch the previous video, which is the string inbuilt function videos. So you might get doubt why we need to learn string builder, string buffers. Like we use these concepts according to the constraints that are given in DSA problems. So it's very important to have knowledge on all these three concepts. So stay updated for next coming videos, and our next videos is on strings problems. Then we'll do a few logical questions. So stay updated. Please do subscribe for further content. Thank you for watching.